Yes, my people, Royal Urel, in our place. Yeah, man, and I'm apple tree me there. I go pick some apple. Nice fruits, they're beautiful. Yeah, man, well loaded. And until I realize there's so much apple up on the tree, work me I go and come take a look in the yard, and I'm backyard, Yeah, man, whole heap of apple up on the tree, ripe up. And I tell my son, I have to go pick some, because I go up on the road, So, whole heap of fruits. Yeah, man, I deal with fruits, I'm a nature person, I'm a man of nature, God fearing, love God, Yeah, man, them things I will deal with. Yeah, man. So, my people, tell me, look, I'm an apple tree. All the apple. You understand? All about. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, See all these things. I love fruits, Yeah, I love fruits, man. I'm a youth, I love fruits. You understand? Look good. Yeah, man, all the apple. Coconut tree, hard back there, Just so them planning to. All the coconut to get off of them jelly. Same way. Sell and drink and give it to people. Yeah, man. See it, It look good, man. I'll give them a few more days. But I'll make my son pick some of them today. You understand? I have a fruits bridge down the road. You buy apple too, Maybe you can get some of them to buy. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. See them there. Whole heap of apple, man. So basically, I love the vibes, Love the vibes, And we get some water for rain, Yeah, so see all these there. Come look for share. Oh, yeah, I say, on this while, I get share, Yeah, man, from where you get some rain from the other day. So you see, rain different from when we use the water for the plant them still, I tell you, Rain having natural fertilizer in it, man, I tell you, different. So, I love God and live, Yet man dies, them say. And them things I would deal with, prosperity. Yeah, it's precious to me, Ha. Yeah, man, so, my people, this me I go on with, right now. That's an apple tree, One of the many fruits tree. Because we love fruits, Yeah, man, them look nice. Alright. Trust me. If you have time to check on the jelly chip them right now. But if a young one on it too. Road me I go here now. On the road me I reach here you have some merchandise out there. More time all the boys them get teeth too, so I pass through the business place and see where I go on. So I go up on the road and go check out things hope everything alright, say everything alright still because God will deal with it. So I this my people. Up in the tree me there. Yeah man. Up in me there. Royal Urel man. On the road me I go here now still. Yeah man. So I stay.